In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to relist your product on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to increase visibility for an item you're selling or just want to give it another chance to be noticed, relisting can be an effective way to ensure it gets the attention it deserves. So let's get right into it. To begin with, you'll want to navigate to Facebook's main page. You'll need to log in using your credentials, which include your registered email and password. In case you don't have an account, there's an option for signing up, but today we'll assume you already have an account and just need to log in. Enter your credentials and click the login button to access your account. If you're already logged in on another tab, you can skip this step and proceed to the next part of the process. Once you're logged into your account, locate the menu on the left side of your Facebook homepage. Within this menu, you'll see a range of options, including See More. Click on it to expand your menu options. This is where Facebook keeps all the additional features that might not be immediately visible when you first log in. After expanding your menu, you'll find the option labeled Marketplace. Click on this to enter the Marketplace section. Facebook Marketplace is where users can buy and sell items locally. It's like having a built-in store software right on your Facebook account. Inside the Marketplace, direct your attention to the left-hand column again and click on Selling. This takes you to a page showcasing all the items you have put up for sale. It's your personal dashboard for managing your online listings. Next to each item you are selling, there are 3 vertical dots indicating more options. Find the specific product you want to relist. You'll need to click on these dots to access a drop-down menu of actions available for your product listing. From the menu, look for the option that says Renew Listing. Clicking on this will bring a fresh wave of visibility and engagement to your listing. Relisting your item essentially resets its position in the listing timeline, pushing it closer to the top again where more potential buyers will see it. Remember, Facebook limits the number of times you can renew a listing consecutively to prevent spam, so use this feature strategically. That's it. You've successfully relisted your product on Facebook Marketplace. With these steps, you should see a boost in the visibility of your product as it gets presented back to potential buyers. And there you have it, everything you need to know about relisting an item on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, relisting frequently can maximize exposure, but be sure to update your listing if necessary to grab even more attention. Thanks for watching and happy selling.